Well, ladies and gents, if you're looking for something that'll make the Duke boys proud, introducing 2021 Ram 1500 Bighorn, built to serve, finished in Spitfire Orange with black accents. All this truck is missing is 01 on the doors and HEMI V8 power, Bighorn built to serve 20s, black running boards and tonneau cover already mounted, black exhaust tips, black badging. This is the one to get, folks. These are a limited edition truck finished in Spitfire Orange. Once they are gone, they are gone. That's it, that's all. And those orange accents finish right here in these beautiful built-to-serve seats. Custom inlays, only available on this truck. 8.4-inch UConnect display with nav and Alpine sound. Beautiful. If you want something that's gonna stand out, if you want something different that you just can't go and get anywhere, this is it. 403-902-0434. Get it before it's gone. Summer's here, folks, right here at Strathmore.